Hello student, today we will discuss the topic forward converter. Previously we are discussing boost converter, buck converter, boost buck means flyback converter, and now this fourth one is the forward converter. So the forward converter is a DC to DC converter that uses a transformer to increase or decrease the output voltage. Multiple output winding, it is possible to provide both higher and lower voltage output simultaneously, which is based on transformer with same polarity winding, higher magnetic inductance. See in the forward converter diagram, if you observe this diagram, here is the supply voltage. This two dot indicates the winding of this primary as well as the secondary in the same directions. Means whenever the current will be flow from the primary, at the same time current will be flow in the secondary also. And the major, you can observe this one additional part we can connect it. Okay, so it is nothing but your territory winding. Because if the current will be flowing here as well as the here, once the switch will be closed, at that time the residential energy will be occur, and after some time or after few cycles the transformer will be saturated. So therefore, avoiding this such type of situation, the additional winding we are utilize or circuitry we can utilize, that is called as territory winding. If whenever the current, suppose we are assuming the first case, again the switch will be closed, then current will be flowing from supplied voltage to the primary winding. Again at the same time the current will be flowing from the secondary winding, D1 will be conduct, current will be flowing through this inductor and capacitor and load. This current will be move like this one as well as through load also. This is your first case. But whenever switch is open, at that time what are the residential energy will be occur, that will be demagnetized with the primary side by using this circuitry. Means what are the energy will be stored, that will be demagnetized. It is open means here is the open, no current will be flowing from this side. Here is again no current will be flow. But what are the energy stored? Because previously it is magnetized inductor. So due to that one, the current will be flowing from this direction through capacitor, load, and D2 will be conduct, and like this one the current will be flow. In second case, here no current, it is open, so current is not flowing from the primary as well as the secondary, but energy stored in the inductor. Due to that one, again the current will be through the capacitor and your output voltage. In this way the circuit will be operate. See, it does not store energy during the conduction time of the switching element. The transformer cannot store a significant amount of energy. Instead, energy is passed directly to the output of the forward converter. By transformer action, during the switch conduction phase, while the output voltage of a flyback converter is theoretically infinite. Their applications, so use in offline supply to provide an intermediate power output level of 100 to 200 watts. Okay, thank you.